You're gonna fucking drop my rods. Morning, it's Jeff, Concrete the Right Way. I'm gonna show you a little pour we got today. We got pump, we got some steps, tool jointing to do. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate all the feedback. People buying merch. Straps broke, so I got new straps. A little sharp on the edges and they wear those straps out. We gotta put up expansion. We're gonna tap con it. We got 6-inch expansion. We got 4. We got a whole bunch of expansion to put up. We got plastic to put up.
Are you coming out of retirement, kid? Oh man, you should wear your safety face mask. It looks like you got a nail in your nose.
That one looked really big. Take the whole thing over there. Go ahead. Hold on, let me swing it together. We'll carry it over there. Why does that look like that split? That's about busted. It fell down. Somebody walked down that motherfucker.
Yeah, somebody stepped on it.
Yeah, we gotta do the walls, everything.
Grade break right here.
Grade break, grade break. This is a driveway for a garage door. It's gonna go in here. This is an approach. Over in this corner by the steps, there's that seismic opening. We're filling that in,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
I just wanted to make sure. Thanks.
Rams all in the same division as the Niners, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you would want to fucking...
Jose was saying, he goes, we want Seattle to win. I was like, I think we want them to tie.
Hey, give me the rundown. How do you want to pour it?
The 2 posts, then this sidewalk,
Okay.
then we'll pour that, and then this, and we'll just pour that top bay with the steps.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Fuck.
We're 8 minutes behind. Pour the whole wall line all the way around this.
I am. That's
okay.
what I'm doing. This bay, then go up there.
Yep. Pour that. Once you're ahead of us, go ahead and pour the whole wall or whatever. We need to find like a. I do got some 2x8 on the truck. Those guys could set and make a ramp to that and walk down to it. Do I fit? I might fit. No. Just let me lead a little so we don't lose too much. Sorry, I'm trying to pull it up, Steve.
I know. Out of this building?
Is it that taco place over here? Yeah. There's a taco place right there.
Oh, yeah.
They fired up the grill.
Oh, thank you, Connor.
Gonna do this one? You doing the steps backwards from bottom up? Just do that bay, but go down there and we'll come this way. You can hit this one right now if you want.
Yeah.
Brian, this 2 trucks should almost finish this.
Okay.
You figured 17 yards, not counting this step.
Already?
Wow. It looks like it's gonna be more than 10. About a 5?
I'm
What's
mixing it up. I'm about to check real quick.
okay? Throw me a little mud in there so he doesn't do it with the pump. No, I'll go to the end. Jose, you want to grab a shorty and come down this?
Yeah.
There's one right here. Right where the holes are. Yeah, that's a hell of a channel float.
So I think I just want to take this off and put it on my bull float.
Who would set up a mono 12-inch board and not put kickers on it?
There was kickers on it. Dan pulled them.
Did you order the cleanup already, Jeff?
Yeah. He's got a jackknife pretty good.
Be careful, it's gonna hit that camera up there too.
I think he's good. You're good. You got.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Come miss the camera. He's good.
You just called for it?
No, I called when the 3rd truck was out. I think they're still in trucks or they're gonna round trip the first one.
Let's see what his plan is.
You're gonna fucking drop my rods.
Oh, man, I got it.
after I get poured out, I'm gonna go over here and buy 10 burritos. So I'm breakfast burritos for everyone for Christmas.
Okay. Hey, Jake, tell him to hang so we can reach that hose and maybe wash in this corner. If we throw it in there, just don't throw it on the rebar. We need it, because I don't want to have to clean the bar if they bitch about it. Let me just jump out, I'll rod a little more and just float down.
16.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure it wasn't like 2-inch difference or something from side to side. Thank you. It had a lot of bacon on it. I was surprised how much bacon. Usually it's like 2 pieces. It was like a lot of chunks.
Yeah, right out the gate I had.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get 2 weights.
Huh?
I'm gonna go get 2 weights.
With their trucks on other jobs, you know what I mean? So.
Right. I'll figure them out again once I get the bays up. I'll figure each bay, because I kind of just did a big triangle and divided it in half, but it might be off a little bit. And I just put it up to the bottom. We ran it in a little bit, each one.
The biggest thing is we'll just have to check in the morning where our heights are.
We might have to bring that up.
That line might have to come up.
Whatever they change.
I had to jump in there.
Ryan, here's another bucket.
Deeper right on that door. Huh? Deeper right on the door.
That looks like my penis. Look at that. No, really, look at that.
Here, fill it. Let me get throw these caps on this. We can probably strip all these stakes. We can leave the form, but I want to strip the stakes. Their steps look good. Edged them. Yeah, I think Jay grabbed some cure. We can put this gate back up. Woo!
What is that?
Good. Good morning. We're gonna back up in here as far as we can. And we're gonna reach that dirt area and wheel that, and then we'll pour you out straight on out.
Ben?
Yes, right. Even that walk's 5.2%. So that's what it calls for on the plans, I guess. They asked about it. Calcium chloride pellets. I call it snow and ice melter. But this is what we use in the concrete for accelerator. I didn't mark these joints, just cut that corner and divide them up. Yeah.
Is there a Great Creek on this side? Like I'm going up
Yes.
to that top and then
There's a black. If we just kind of stay square, I put a red mark on it. That's where the grade break is that red line.
yeah, okay.
We got all those dowels to stick in here too, because that might even be deeper than 7 through there. The pins were all 7.
But the job, huh? After this, well,
There's a ramp inside.
ramp inside,
That's
yeah.
as far as I know, yeah. Hey, your water's on. Leaking. That's all it does? It just leaks? It leaks like that? Better? I even put a little more in. No, that's good.
tell you, man, if I had a rake, you wouldn't even have to treat it. Oh my God, really?
That's the whole point. All we're supposed to be doing is checking your work. You think a good sword fighter would have his own sword or no?
Gotta buy a sword.
He's like, if I had a good sword, I could fucking fuck you up. I like the confidence though. Throw some water in them, please. This stuff's fucking setting up though. Best thing about being a shoe guy, all you have to do is feel sorry.
It fixes all your problems.
Yeah. Same with the Georgia buggy guy. Oops, sorry. Just don't run that rod over. If she might need to angle this way a little bit too. I'm gonna still a little bit. This will just be a ramp.
Okay.
Hey, throw a couple gallons in her while we fuck with this.
Okay.
Please. You still like the front though?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Second I jumped back into it, I'm like, no thank you.
That's good.
Yeah.
Can we lose it in the trash?
Yeah.
Can you get it this high?
What are you trying to say?
Trying to say you filled them too full. Can you tell her to lower her hopper? Not so full. Huh?
Is there a walkout spot for him? No?
Jose. I gotta match this. How far off are we?
Half inch.
Oh, now we're going to this. Pull that one back just a little bit. I think it's really close, but I wanted to see. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this corner. Come up and grab it on the corner. Hoping that truck could be gone by now, so we could open that gate.
Yeah, I know.
You should have opened that gate all the way, Dan. It's been probably 6-7 years since I had McDonald's. I'm like, oh, I'll try something else again. I'm like, no, it's still shitty as ever. I remember I worked at Bill's house doing a bunch of work, and he's like, come on, I'll buy you lunch. He goes, hey, we'll go to McDonald's and get a burger. And she's all, oh, big spender. And we went to McDonald's and got a burger. Sometimes that extra week off,
It hurts.
it hurts them.
Yeah.
I think teams that have a lot of injuries, it totally benefits. But if you don't have a lot of injuries,
Yeah.
it can hurt you a little bit.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Driving around like an idiot.
Merry Christmas. Enough to take your significant other to McDonald's.
Thank you. The guy that works with us, Louis, he lives out at Loyalton, and you probably heard on the news the wolves out there. They got him. He says there's like 4 different packs out there. He says they're really fucking. And he said one guy that he packed up his whole ranch and cattle and got out of California because of it, because they aren't taking care of it. We'll go all the way in that to the corner. There we go. So we're gonna run out of wood if we put all of that on there. We need wood for all this and all that. Should open more. It's stuck. Let me do the one down here, and if we have leftovers, see if it finishes that. I got another big roll, but I don't want to get it out. I don't hear it banging. The other one, it'll be good. The other one hits the cap. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, yeah.
Well, good job, guys.
Yep. Have a good weekend. See y'all Tuesday.
See you.
Later, man.
Tuesday.
Later, dude.
There's our little video for today. Please like, subscribe. Remember, sometimes you got to slow down to speed up.